Exercise 7.1 from coordinate geometry. Problem number 1 is find the distance between the following pairs of points. Subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This 2, 3 and 4, 1. These are the 2 points. So x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4 and y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 1. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So formula for distance is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is d is equal to x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 the whole square. Root of 4 plus 4, that is root of 8. 8 can be written as 2 square into 2. So 2 square can be taken outside the square root. 2 root 2. This is the answer. Problem number 1, subdivision number 2. The points are minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. x1 is minus 5, x2 is minus 1, y1 is 7 and y2 is 3. Okay, so finding the distance using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square all within the square root equals x2 is minus 1 minus x1, that is minus 5, minus into minus is plus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 7 the whole square is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 square. 3 minus 7 is minus 4 the whole square is equal to root of 16 plus minus 4 the whole square is again 16. So 16 is equal to root of 32. 32 can be written as 16 into 2. 16 is a perfect square. So square root of 16 is 4. 2 remains inside the square root. That is, the value for the distance between these 2 points is 4 root 2 units. Subdivision number 3. That is A, B and minus A, minus B. We need to find the distance between these 2 points. So x1 is A, x2 is minus A, y1 is B and y2 is given as minus B. So using the same distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square all within the square root. x2 is minus A minus x1 is simply A square plus similarly minus B minus y1 is B, so all within the square root. So we know very well minus A is minus 2A the whole square plus minus 2B the whole square. Minus 2a the whole square is 2a square. So 2a the whole square is 4a square plus 4b square. So we can take 4 as common. 4 into a square plus b square all within square root. 4 is a perfect square. So 2 into a square plus b square, because I have taken this 4 outside the square root, so I got 2 into root of a square plus b square units. Problem number 2. So it is given in the problem that find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the towns? Two towns A and B. So the points are 0, 0 and 36, 15. So 0, 0 is nothing but origin. The origin. So the distance formula is, we know very well, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So if the distance we need to find from the origin, the distance formula gets reduced to x square plus y square, because x1 and y1 becomes 0. So the formula gets reduced to d is equal to x square plus y square within square root. So now the distance is going to be, this is x, y. 36 square plus 15 square is equal to, 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. So we will be getting 1521. So the square root of 1521 we need to find out. 1521. See, what is the last digit? 1, right? So 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So if the number ends with 1, there can be two possibilities, either 1 or 9. So the second digit would be 1 or 9. Cross out the last two digits. Now see, what are the first two digits? 15. Okay, we have to look for the number which is less than 15 and close to 15 also, and that too it should be a perfect square. So what are the perfect squares? Below 15 and close to 15 also. 9. 9 is a perfect square. It is less than 15 and close to 15 also. So 9 is the perfect square of 3. So 3 square is less than 15. So the first digit should be 3. So either the number, the square root should be 31 or 39. 31 or 39. See, we got this answer, that is 1521, after adding 15 square to 36 square. So the number should be, that is the square root should be greater than 36. So 31 is not the answer, 39 is the answer. So D is 39. So what about the unit? They have given that it is the distance between the two towns. So the unit should be kilometer.